My faith is my shield. I have repeated these words over and over, for they are all I have left. Job had never lost his faith, even though he lost everything he held dear. How can the Lord allow such evil to go unpunished? So much suffering and pain. I hold tight to my faith, for my faith is my shield.
Seeing Father was with William and Marissa. If he didn't make it to the waterfall, then maybe they didn't either.
You think they're dead?
That would be my guess.
And I think it's high time Colonel Barnesby met his maker.
I couldn't agree more, brother. But, just so you know, when this is over, so are we. I don't ever want to see you again.
Look at that ghost town. Wonder where all the people went.
Want some ammo? Want some guns?
What are you waiting for? Move!
How can I help you?
Come on!
If there's anybody flesh and blood down there, we're in for a surprise. We better stay together.
Yeah, you do what you do, and I'll do what I do.
Did you hear that, Ray?
Well, what do you know? The deserters found the sack to make it back to their old squad.
You hear that?
Shh! I think somebody ought to blow taps. You boys are as good as dead.
That house, over there.
Let's check. Cover me.
Show your face, coward! Shoot him!
Keep close. They're not here.
Hey, you, McCall! How you gonna give me that medallion if you can't find me?
Son of a bitch. It's coming from that shack. Should we say hello?
Let's do it.
Where the hell is that loudmouth sumbitch?
Come over here!
I waited a long time for this day, gentlemen. I wouldn't have thought you were Indian lovers, but then you boys constantly surprise me. And now the medallion, please.
You go to hell!
I understand you probably don't care if I kill this young brave. At least not as much as his father does. But mark my words, I'm getting that medallion, even if I have to pry it out of your cold, dead hand. Kill them!
I'll climb higher. Cover me.
Son of a bitch!
I'll draw the fire. You go around to the door.
Burn in hell, you sons of bitches!
Come in.
Say your prayers!
It's time for you, Barnsby.
What are you waiting for? Move!
Yeah, I think we have a piece of unfinished business left.
You're talking about yourself, O'Donnell?
I knew this day'd come, McCall, and this time you ain't getting away. You and me in the square.
Or what?
You're not afraid of me, are you? How about we sweeten the pot? If you win, I'll give you the Indian. If you lose, I take the medallion.
You're a lying bastard, O'Donnell.
You want it just as much as I do, McCall. You and me, mano a mano. Fair deal, fair fight.
How come you're in such a hurry to die?
Now, it will be one-on-one. Fair deal. Fair fight.
Okay, let's see what you got.
You still want your Indian?
That lying son of a bitch!
Seen, father. My son. No. Not my son. My son.
You stay with him. We'll make sure that son bitch pays.
I'll bury you, Barnsby.
Stay put. Another damn Gatling gun! I'll draw fire, and you sneak up on it.
So today's the day of judgment, gentlemen. You're a disgrace and a coward. And now justice will be done. I'm bringing punishment upon you. You betrayed your country and your race.
Let's just put him down like the mangy dog he is.
They caught us. I don't know how. The Mexican bandit.
Juarez?
He captured us and took us to the White Chief.
Barnsby.
He traded me for horses. Just me. Father, it was I who led them to the medallion. I betrayed the Apache.
It was not you who betrayed our people, my son. It was I who led us to our slaughter. You told me what would happen. You knew. For you are a seeing father. A true Apache. Maande. My son.
So William might still be alive. We gotta save him, Ray.
The girl, the medallion. Juarez has everything he wanted. What the hell have we done?